Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and in today's video I wanted to recap anything that happened with Pikamoon over the past 6 to 7 months since they had their original token sale, as well as explain my mindset behind it, why I personally bought some tokens. Now right now they're listed on Maxi as well as BitJet, and you can also trade the token on Uniswap by copy-pasting the Ethereum contract address into it and then swapping into the token. We can see a volume of like $30,000+ every single day. And with the current market cap of $7 million, this is 100% undervalued. This can easily do a 10 to 20x from here, and then it would still be a lot smaller than games like Axie Infinity, games that are just tap games on Telegram, for example. And with the work they put in, this can easily do quite well. Now, in case you haven't heard about Pikamoon before, they launched a token in multiple pre-sale stages, I think, about 6 months ago. And since then, they've been working on the trailer that you can see on screen right now. They had more and more partnerships. They are fully transparent when it comes to everything. They update us when it comes to the types of environments where you can play the game. So this is not just one single game. Think of this kind of like Riot Games as a company that has Valorant, so it has a shooter, but it also works on an open world game. It has TFT for your battles. It has League of Legends for MOBA. There are multiple games and different aspects of games for Pikamoon. Now, over the past 6 months, while they had the initial funding and token raise and all of that, they had a lot of time in order to build something that is here to stay. The team behind it is fully doxed. They have over 70 people working on this, as far as I know. And they are the most transparent company that I've seen in crypto gaming. Now, they regularly, like once a week or so, share behind-the-scenes updates, have 50 to 60-minute videos talking about how the project is moving forward, what their plans are for the future, what they're currently working on, and upcoming drops. And in case you never heard about it, I will leave links down below so you can look at the token, the NFTs that are upcoming, the journey that they have, as well as the different aspects of the metaverse, the audit done by Hacken, and all the different partners in here. I mean, Maxi is a partner. We have Space Money, Outlook, ETH, while also seeing the quality that they already deliver, and it's not even an alpha yet. It's not in the beta. This isn't available yet to play, but if this is the trailer and this is how the game already looks like, there is a lot more to come. As the name is similar to Pokemon, you can guess that there are different types. There are different types of Pikamoons, and in one of the recent updates that they had on the Medium page, I think it was about the Battle Royale, they also talked about that if you were to take the idea of, let's say, Fortnite for Battle Royale, they will have multiple different ways of playing the game, so you can play in singles, duels, or in squads. And in there, you'll be able to capture different types of Pikamoon that then gives you buffs, follow you around, help you out, all of the good stuff. Now, while there's a lot to it, and I 100% recommend to check out not just the website and what is linked down below, but also up here the YouTube channel, as they share pretty much everything. I mean, we have a whole documentary about it that is interesting to watch. We have the different updates and trailers, the behind the scenes. So you're never left in the dark in what direction the project is heading in. So if you would like to get the token, it is currently at 0.04 cents, meaning if you would like to get, let's say, 1 million tokens, that would be at $400. Now, I think this can easily do a 15 to 20x from here and go back to a $100 million market cap, if not above, especially when, despite global news, the entire crypto market only dips by like 2 to 4%. That we can see how much support there is already at the levels of 60k plus. And with gaming being hyped and growing a lot over the past month, this has a good future. Now, right now, it looks a bit red over the past week, but that is because we went up by like 50 to 60% in almost everything, and there's a small correction coming, right? Like in Sandbox, we went from 23 cents up until 30 cents, so about a 25% increase in price, and now there's a small correction and we go back to normals. And I think the same happened to Pikamoon, which is why over the past day, it might be down a couple percent. Keep in mind, smaller cap coin, easier to fluctuate in price. But over the past week, we're still up 10%, over the past month 27%, and I think that trend is going to continue. Not financial advice, links down below, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.